How to start an e-commerce store from scratch. Imagine your life transforming as your small online store becomes the next e-commerce sensation. Well, you are one step closer to turning this dream into a reality. Today, we are demystifying the process of launching an e-commerce store from scratch. And trust us, it's not as daunting as it seems. You're about to uncover a world where unique products meet the right strategies, resulting in unstoppable success. We will navigate through the grandeur of the e-commerce landscape and reveal the golden rules of this digital empire. But don't worry, we're not spilling all the beans right now. Stay tuned to unlock these secrets, and who knows, the next big e-commerce breakthrough could be yours. Let's kickstart this exciting journey into the realm of e-commerce entrepreneurship. Buckle up and get ready to be amazed. Step 1. Discovering your unique product. Welcome to the pivotal first step of your e-commerce journey, discovering your unique product. With the global e-commerce market reaching an astounding value of $5,784 in 2023, competition is fierce. In this step, we'll delve into the art of product discovery and uncover strategies to set your store apart from the crowd. Through comprehensive market research and analysis, we'll help you identify lucrative niches and untapped opportunities. By understanding customer demands and preferences, you can create a product that resonates with your target audience, ensuring a strong foundation for your e-commerce venture. Remember, a well-chosen and innovative product is the key to unlocking success in this dynamic landscape. Step 2. Laying the building blocks. Choosing the right platform. With the e-commerce industry witnessing an impressive annual growth rate of over 20%, choosing the right platform for your online store is critical. In this chapter, we'll explore the top e-commerce platforms, each offering unique features and capabilities. Shopify, a leading platform, powers over 1.7 million businesses worldwide and is renowned for its user-friendly interface. WooCommerce, with its flexibility and integration with WordPress, empowers over 5 million online stores. On the other hand, Magento, known for its scalability, serves notable brands like Coca-Cola and Nike. BigCommerce, trusted by over 60,000 businesses, offers robust built-in SEO and marketing tools. Understanding these platforms' strengths and weaknesses will enable you to make a well-informed decision that aligns with your store's long-term goals. Step 3. Designing your virtual storefront. In this step, we'll explore the critical role of design in captivating your audience and ensuring a delightful shopping experience. With the digital shopping landscape growing exponentially, your virtual storefront must stand out amidst the competition. Studies show that 94% of first impressions are design-related, emphasizing the importance of aesthetics. High-quality images and engaging content are fundamental elements that draw customers into your store. Moreover, 88% of online shoppers are less likely to return to a site after a bad user experience. By focusing on intuitive navigation and mobile responsiveness, you create a seamless journey for your visitors, encouraging them to explore and make purchases. Remember, a visually appealing and user-friendly design is the gateway to gaining loyal customers and driving e-commerce success. Step 4. Building trust and credibility. Trust is the currency of commerce, and in this step, we'll explore the strategies to build a strong foundation of trust and credibility for your online store. Studies indicate that 84% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations, highlighting the significance of positive customer feedback. By showcasing genuine customer testimonials and ratings, you establish social proof, instilling confidence in potential buyers. Furthermore, 83% of consumers look for clear return policies, emphasizing the need for transparent and hassle-free return processes. Implementing SSL certificates and secure payment gateways assures customers that their sensitive information is protected, fostering trust during transactions. By following these trust-building practices, you can differentiate your store from less reputable competitors, cultivating long-lasting relationships with your customers. Step 5. Launching your store to the world. The time has come to unveil your e-commerce store to the world. In this step, we'll guide you through the essential steps for a successful store launch. Did you know that 66% of consumers prefer shopping on their mobile devices? Ensuring your store is mobile-friendly is crucial to capitalize on this trend. Leveraging social media platforms, with 54% of shoppers using social media to research products, will help create a buzz around your launch. Additionally, investing in targeted advertising can yield impressive results, as 43% of e-commerce traffic comes from Google search. With careful planning and strategic marketing, your store launch can make a significant impact, setting the stage for your e-commerce success. Step 6. The art and science of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the engine that propels your e-commerce store forward, and in this step, we'll explore the art and science behind successful online marketing strategies. Content marketing generates 3 times as many leads as traditional marketing, making it a valuable tool in engaging with your audience and establishing thought leadership. entrepreneurship. Moreover, email marketing offers an impressive ROI of 4,400%, showcasing its potential to nurture customer relationships and drive repeat sales. Embracing social media marketing. With 90% of businesses using social media for brand awareness, can amplify your reach and foster brand loyalty. By combining these powerful strategies with data-driven analytics, you can refine your marketing efforts, targeting the right audiences with the right message, and maximize your e-commerce growth potential. Step 7. Harnessing the power of SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is a fundamental pillar of e-commerce success, and in this step, we'll delve into the strategies to boost your store's visibility in search engine results. Did you know that 93% of online experiences begin with a search engine? By conducting thorough keyword research, you can identify high traffic and relevant keywords to optimize your product pages or blog content. Studies show that 75% of users never scroll past the first page of search results, emphasizing the need to rank higher. Through on-page optimization, backlink building, and technical SEO, you can improve your store's search engine rankings, attracting organic traffic and potential customers. By embracing the power of SEO, your e-commerce store can gain a competitive edge in the digital landscape and increase its chances of long-term success. Step 8. Analyzing data for informed decisions. Data analysis is the key to making informed decisions in the dynamic world of e-commerce. And in this step, we'll explore the tools and techniques to harness the power of data. Did you know that 73% of businesses rely on data analytics to gain a competitive advantage? By tracking and interpreting customer behavior, conversion rates, and sales patterns, you gain valuable insights into your store's performance. Utilizing web analytics platforms like Google Analytics enables you to measure key metrics, such as bounce rates and time on site. Armed with this data, you can optimize your marketing strategies, improve user experience, and make data-driven decisions for continuous growth. By understanding the power of data, your e-commerce store can stay ahead of market trends and deliver exceptional customer experiences. Step 9. Embracing customer centricity. Customer satisfaction lies at the heart of e-commerce success, and in this step, we'll emphasize the significance of embracing a customer-centric approach. Studies show that 80% of consumers are more likely to purchase from companies that personalize their experiences. By leveraging customer data and preferences, you can deliver tailored marketing campaigns and personalized product recommendations. Moreover, 67% of customers mention bad experiences as a reason for churn, highlighting the importance of exceptional customer support. Investing in responsive customer service, including live chat and quick issue resolution, can nurture customer loyalty and drive word-of-mouth referrals. By putting your customers at the forefront of your business, you create a positive brand image and foster long-term relationships that lead to sustainable e-commerce growth. Step 10. Scaling for global impact. Your e-commerce store has flourished, and it's time to consider scaling up for global impact. In this step, we'll explore the strategies for expanding your business beyond borders. With the global e-commerce market expected to reach $6.4 trillion by 2024, tapping into international markets is a lucrative opportunity. Conducting thorough market research helps identify potential regions for expansion, considering factors like cultural differences and local preferences. By optimizing your store for multilingual support and local currencies, you can provide a seamless shopping experience for international customers. Partnering with reliable international shipping providers ensures efficient logistics and customer satisfaction. Through strategic expansion and adaptation, your e-commerce store can transcend geographical boundaries and make a significant impact on the global stage as you take the leap into e-commerce entrepreneurship. Remember that success requires a comprehensive approach, from discovering a unique product to building a robust online store, cultivating trust, embracing digital marketing, leveraging SEO, and prioritizing customer centricity. Each step plays a vital role in shaping your e-commerce journey. With data-driven decision-making and a commitment to innovation, you can navigate the competitive landscape, leaving a mark on the global e-commerce stage as you scale your business and explore international markets. Keep in mind that success in e-commerce is an ongoing process. Stay agile, adapt to changing trends, and always prioritize your customers' needs. Armed with the knowledge and strategies shared in this guide, you are well equipped to turn your e-commerce dream into a reality.